going on? It's your boy Charlie V, Asset Police badge number 824. I'm back with them credit scores, deeds, LLC, investment portfolio. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Well, today I want to touch on the stock market and investing in stocks, specifically in stocks. Even though I invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, and for those that don't know, ETFs stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Basically what it means is you have these products, whether it's McDonald's, AT&T, T-Mobile, Delta, Tesla, they're all purchased in a group, in a basket, versus buying them individually. So keep that in mind. Investing in stocks should be fun. It's fun for me. Even as an experienced investor, I've been investing for quite some time now in the stock market. And for those that don't know or do know, the stock market has been extremely volatile. In January, everything was peaches and cream. February, everything was peaches and cream. The economy was booming. Everything was looking right. My investment portfolios I was looking like a genius. And then boom, the economy, the pandemic hit. Coronavirus hit in March. And the stock market took a big hit. As you can see, I lost all my hair stressing because of how much of a dip. And when I mean dip, I mean dip. The stock market has took a hit. But all jokes aside, one thing I learned over the years, you have to keep your emotions out of the stock market, and you have to always think long term. When I invest, I'm not a day trader. When I invest in the stock market, I assume that money is gone, that I don't need that money, that I don't depend on that money. I live not depending on those funds that I invest. But I'm going to be honest, during this election time, I was a little nervous because the stock market responds on news. And I didn't know if it was going to be good news, and I didn't know it was going to be bad news. But one thing that I learned, I had to stay the course. I stayed the course, did not panic, was down big, but things started bouncing back. And now that we have President-elect Joe Biden, the stock market actually responded well to it. And I think the stock market has also responded well to the $2.2 trillion that are out there for stimulus release for the coronavirus relief to those that need it. And also what's been booming the economy is, or the stock market, I should say, is the vaccine. That's what's been, I think, in my experience, it's been keeping the economy in good shape thus far. Or booming the stock market, I should say. But I was a little nervous with Joe Biden because I think my taxes will rise. But I will say this, the fact that the government will probably be divided, meaning the Republicans will hold the Senate, I think it'll be tough for that to happen, for taxes to rise, especially now during this pandemic, during these difficult times where taxes will rise. I don't know, but this is just my, educated guess. But now that Joe Biden, President-elect, will be president, if everything stands, that it's time to think business-wise, right? What does what are some of the policies that Joe Biden favors? And Joe Biden, and I will think that it makes sense to invest in certain sectors. Healthcare sector. You have the energy sector, where, you know, solar power, electric cars, and I know that marijuana is becoming legal for recreational use. In New Jersey, it just became legal. I think investing in a marijuana stock will be very beneficial, because I think more and more states will follow the New Jerseys, the Colorados out there in the world. So I think investing in marijuana stocks, investing in tech, investing in energy, whether it's solar, whether electric cars, Tesla, or any other ones are out there, is a must. The healthcare as well. I think you just got to do your homework, do your due diligence, and start investing. Doesn't matter if you invest $100, $5,000, $10,000, $100, or more. I think is good and beneficial to invest, especially now. This is just Asset Police, badge number 824, checking in with my peoples. I'm out. Peace.